MCQs of vectors. Common types of vectors are plasmid vectors, bacteriophage lambda, cosmid vector, yeast artificial chromosomes, or retroviral vector. MCQs number 1. Cosmids lack gene code for viral protein, origin of replication, marker gene coding for replication, cleavage site for insertion of foreign DNA. The correct option is option A, gene coding for viral protein. MCQs number 2. Cryptic plasmid are do not exhibit any phenotypic trait, exhibit many phenotypic traits, exhibit one phenotypic traits, exhibit antibiotic traits. The correct option is option A. Do not exhibit any phenotypic trait. MCQs number 3. Phage mid consists of plasmid vector carrying lambda phages cause site, plasmid vector carrying lambda attachment lambda ATT site, plasmid vector carrying origin of replication of lambda phage only, plasmid vector carrying origin of replication of plasmid only. The correct option is option 2. Plasmid vector carrying phage attachment at lambda ATT site. MCQs number 4. Maximum size of foreign DNA that can be inserted into an insertion vector is 35 kb, 18, 50 or 27 kilo base pair. The correct option is option second, 18 kb. MCQs number 5. Plasmids which are maintained as multiple copy number per cell as known as stringent plasmid, relaxed plasmid, cryptic plasmid, none of these. The correct option is option 2, relaxed plasmid. MCQs number 6. Cosmid vectors are plasmid that contain fragment of lambda DNA including the cause site, phage that lack cause site. 3. Plasmid that have no selection marker. D. Or for cryptic plasmid. The correct option is option A. Plasmid that contain fragment of lambda DNA includes the cause site. MCQs number 7. EMBL3 and EMBL4 are replacement vector which can clone DNA up to 6 to 7 kb, 15 to 25 kb, 40 to 44 kb, 1 to 2 kb. The correct option is option 2, 15 to 25 kb. MCQs number 8. Size of DNA that can be packaged into lambda phage is 15 kb, 35 to 53 kb, 40 to 50 kb, any of size. The correct option is option B, 35 to 53 kb. MCQs number 9. Caron 34 and Caron 35 are example of plasmid vector, cosmid vector, phage vector or phage mid vector. The correct option is option 3, phage vector. MCQs number 10. Cosmid vector are used for cloning small fragment of DNA, cloning large fragment of DNA, cloning prokaryotic DNA only, 4. Cloning eukaryotic DNA only. The correct option is option 2, cloning large fragment of DNA. MCQs number 11. Plasmid which are maintained as limited number of copies per cells are known as stringent plasmid, relaxed plasmid, cryptic plasmid, all of these. The correct option is option A, stringent plasmid is correct option. MCQs number 12. Cause site for of the cosmid is consist of 12 bases, help whole genome in circularization and ligation. 3. Both A and B, D contain cleavage site. The correct option is option 3. Both A and B option. MCQs number 13. M13 is an example of filamentous phage, single-stranded DNA vector, both A and B plasmid. The correct option is option 3. Both A and B, one or two option. 14. Phagemid vector are combination of plasmid and lambda phage, combination of phage and cosmid, phage carrying properties of plasmid, all of above. The correct option is option A. Combination of plasmid and phage lambda. Single-stranded vector are useful for sequencing of clone DNA, useful for oligonucleotide direct mutagenesis, useful for probe preparation, or all of the above. The correct option is option 4. All of above. Question number 16. Inserted DNA in lambda GT11 can be expressed as beta galactosidase fused protein, free protein in cytoplasm, free protein that is secreted out, all of the above. The correct option is option A. Beta galactosidase fused protein. MCQs number 17. Plasmid incompatibility is inability of plasmid to grow in host, inability of two different plasmid to coexist in same host cell in absence of selection pressure, both A and B or none of these. The correct option is option second. Inability of two different plasmid to coexist in same host cell in absence of selection pressure. MCQs number 18. PI cloning vector allow cloning of DNA of length 100, 50, 20 or 10 kilobase pair. The correct option is option A. 100 kilobase pair. MCQs number 19. Caron 34 and Caron 35 can clone DNA on up to 1 to 2 kb, 6 to 7 kb, 9 to 20 kb or 30 to 35 kb. The correct option is option 3. 9 to 20 kb. MCQs number 20. Caron vector are different from EMBL vector because they have more extensive range of restriction target within their polylinker. Physical separation of lambda arm from central fragment is required. Both first and second option is correct. 4. Physical separation of lambda arm from central fragment is not required. The correct option is option 3. First and second is correct. MCQs number 21. PI cloning vector is an example of plasmid, cosmic, bacteriophage, phagemid. The correct option is option 3. Bacteriophage. MCQs number 22. Lambda zap vector is example of phage, phagemid, cosmid, plasmid. The correct option is option second, phagemid. MCQs number 23. Lambda GT10 and lambda GT11 vector can be propagate clone fragment up to 6 to 7, 1 to 2, 40 to 44, 20 to 23. The correct option is 1. 6 to 7 kilo base pair. MCQs number 24. Select the wrong statement about plasmid. It is extra chromosomal. It is double stranded. Its replication depend upon host cells. It closed and circular DNA. The correct option is option 8. Replication depend upon host cell is wrong statement about plasmid. 25. Stuffer is the right arm of vector DNA, left arm of vector DNA, central fragment of vector DNA, none of above. The correct option is option 3. Central fragment of vector DNA. MCQs number 26. Conjugative plasmid is exhibit antibiotic resistant, do not exhibit antibiotic resistant, carry transfer gene called the TRD genes, do not carry transfer genes. The correct option is option 3. Carry transfer gene called the TRA genes. 27. The maximum size of foreign DNA that can be inserted into replacement vector is 25 to 30, 18 to 20, 20 25, 40 to 50. The correct option is option 3, 20 to 25 kilobase. MCQs number 28. Which of the following is not true about phage mate? Not true. 1. Contain functional region of replication of plasmid and lambda phage may be propagated as plasmid or phage in appropriate strain. Contain lambda at site can only be propagated as a phage. The correct option is option D. Can only be propagated as a phage. MCQs number 29. PBR 322 has which of following selection marker? AMPR, TET or both first and second, KNR. The correct option is option 3, both first and second. MCQs number 30. A plasmid can be considered as a suitable cloning vector if it can be readily isolated from cells, it possesses a single restriction site for one or more restriction enzyme, insertion of foreign DNA does not alter its replication properties, all of above. The correct option is option all of above. These are properties which are able suitable cloning vector. MCQs number 31. Difference between lambda GT10 and 11 vector is lambda GT11 is an expression vector, lambda GT10 is an expression vector, lambda GT10 is replacement vector, lambda GT11 is a replacement vector. The correct option is option 1. Lambda GT11 is an expression vector. MCQs number 32. Plasmid replication is depend on host cell. True or false? This statement is false. MCQs number 30. How the plasmid clone can be screened? By selected marker, by bacterial resistant genes, for restriction site, by ARS sequence. The correct option is option B, A, by selectable marker.